Jim Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use Microsoft Word right online. Yes, online. Right? So for instance, if you don't have it download, you can also use it online. The first thing that you wanted to do, right? If you notice right here, it's a Microsoft Edge. You can actually right click and open, or you can come right down here. See it right here and just click on it and open it. So now this is Microsoft Edge. We actually open here. So the next thing that you wanted to do, definitely, is you want to come right here. You notice this in that. You're going to click right here. And if you notice right here, this is Microsoft Word. So you want to click on Microsoft Word. So when you click on Microsoft Word, what will happen? If you're not signing in, you have to sign in. Right? And if you notice, right here, all these are templates. Right here. So this is the blank one right here. So I'm going to click on the blank. So as soon as I click on the blank, as you notice, right? There you go. Actually open it right here. You can actually type anything that I wanted to type just to see a minute. So I just want to put greetings right here, just like that. So definitely, this is how you actually use Microsoft Word online. So if you have learned something from this particular video here, so remember to share it.